Here's how to replace your PS3 controller battery. You'll need a controller, a small Phillips head screwdriver, a prying tool, and a replacement battery, which usually come with tools anyway. The battery needs to be an LIP1359. First thing is to flip the controller over and remove these 5 screws. They do not need to come out all the way. Once finished, you can use your prying tool to pop the shell open and the top center screw will come out. Take the back shell off and fold the battery out of your way. Grab these 2 wires and wiggle till it comes out. Get your replacement battery and push the connector in with the pointed side facing up. Fold the new battery into its dedicated pad. Put the back shell on, but ever so gently over the analog triggers, as they will come out with the slightest force, though if they do fall out, they will snap right back into place. Make sure it lines up at the analog sticks and work your way around the shell, making sure the front and back come together somewhat, but it won't be perfect until you tighten all 5 screws again. Then you can press your PlayStation button and you are good to go.